Oscar here. Today I'm going to bring you guys the latest regarding my DJI Mavic Mini. So I have made multiple videos regarding the errors that the DJI Mavic Mini was giving me. And if you guys want to check my videos regarding the DJI Mavic Mini, you can go to my playlist and I have them there. Since I got the DJI Mavic Mini, I was getting a lot of errors, and I have gone through all the recommendations when it comes to the propellers, firmware, IMU. I changed the propellers, and I have done and followed all the recommendations that DJI has recommended. So it came to the point that I actually contacted DJI and they advised me to send the drone to be repaired. So I did so, and the drone was finally repaired. They actually gave me the diagnosis, and the invoice states, and I quote, "Rear aircraft arm motor short cable ×2." So this means that likely the cables that were going towards the motors on the back were bad, or there was something wrong with it. So the aircraft or the drone was under warranty. It got repaired. I just got it back 2 days ago, and I have flown the drone, and it has worked perfectly. I have taken the aircraft all the way up to 300 feet. I have gone forwards, backwards, sideways. I have made all the turns that you would make with the drone. It was hovering for about 10 minutes. I took it about 1,000 feet away from me, brought it back. So I did all the tests. So I'm happy to report that the drone is working perfectly. Thanks God. The problem has finally been fixed, and I'm pleased to say that it has been fixed, but the issue is not with the firmware, IMU, calibration, nothing like that. It's actually a hardware issue, and this has to be fixed by DJI. So if your aircraft is under warranty, the best thing to do is to send it to be repaired if you're having the errors and issues with the aircraft. Now, if you're having the issues with the aircraft and it's not under warranty, it does state that the repairs were going to be about $83, including the repair service fee and the actual parts. So it's less than $100, which is acceptable. If you found this video of any value, click like and subscribe. And if you're interested on any of my equipment that I have used in my videos, especially in this video, you are going to find the links just below. That is a way for you guys to support my channel. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.